Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're diving into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are amazing. They're profitable, they are also low competition, and they're high demand. Now, before we get started, I'd like to remind you that there is a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, and this is your opportunity to take advantage of that 30-day free trial in order to get access and all access subscription to KDP interiors, graphics, fonts, all with commercial license that you can use to upgrade and kickstart your KDP business. And that is linked in the description box below. You could cancel before the 30 days is up if you would not like to continue afterwards. With that being said, if you enjoy content such as this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. And let's get started with the first keyword. I added the 3 keywords for today, and our first keyword is maze activity and puzzles books. Maze activity and puzzles book for kids ages 8 to 10 to 12. So this is a beautiful long tail keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics that we talked about. First of all, we have a really strong and solid keyword niche score by Amazon's Scout Pro Chrome extension, and it's giving us a number 9, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Also, the total results are below 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 660. The average bestseller rank is also below 400,000, and is currently averaging 128,268, and the average reviews are 607. Average price is $7.96. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 30 given by Titans because it contradicts this beautiful data that we have right over here. Now, just before we look at the results on the first page, I'd like to quickly break down this wonderful long tail keyword by saying how fabulous it is, because it has everything that we need to get started. What kind of book are we creating? We're creating a combination between maze activity and puzzle books. So this is the content of the book. It's going to be an activity book. The majority of it is going to focus on both mazes and puzzles. And who are our audience? Our audience are clearly identified to be children between the ages of these 3 age groups: 8, 10 and 12 years old. Now, one thing that's missing, 2 things that are missing from this keyword, my apologies. First of all, is the sizing. That is up to us, and it's preferably the best size for a puzzle and activity book is an 8.5 times 11 inches large print. Also, another thing that you can be able to do is to sub-niche according to whether you want it to be for girls or for boys. Also, what is the theme of the book? Is it revolving around a specific animal, specific element, such as maybe robots, airplanes, history, fantasy, horror, these kind of things as well. That is also a great opportunity to sub niche, or you can just create a general one as well and then divide it by category. Now, as usual, we are aiming to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a BSR under 100,000, and we are going to ignore the sponsored books. We found our first book with a bestseller rank of 185, and it's titled Ultimate Puzzle Challenge, and it features 125 brain puzzles for kids. Now, this one is generating consistent sales, and it has a bestseller rank, of course, and it's generating on an approximate 6,450 per month, generating 980 on a monthly basis. We found book number 2 with a BSR of 3,728, generating around 1,600, selling around 810 copies on a monthly basis. Next up, we've got 24,000, and we've got a couple of others as well. Our second keyword for the day is couples therapy journal to fill out together, and this is an amazing keyword also. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Next, we have the total results below 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 66. The average bestseller rank is within the 400,000 range, and it is currently averaging 456,321. Average reviews is 1,128, and average price is $14.38. So we've got the total results, as I said, under 1,000. Bestseller rank within the 400,000 range, a really good amount of reviews. That is more than the total results itself, indicating that the customers who purchase these products or these journals are more eager to input their review, whether it's through a star rating system, whether it's through just writing in paragraphs their review, or adding some screenshots or some video footage of the actual interior and what they think about it as well. So let's scroll down and find some books, preferably 2 to 3 books with a BSR under 100,000. Ignoring the sponsored piece, we found our first one with 29,000 as a bestseller. Next up we have 3,396, and this book is titled A Year of Us, a couple's journal, 1 question a day to spark fun and meaningful conversations. Now it is selling approximately 840 copies per month, generating around 1,317. Scrolling down, we've got another book as well with a bestseller rank of 8,143, and it's selling around 450 copies on a monthly basis, generating around 1,113. Scrolling again, we found also 54,000 as the bestseller, 7,110. Next up, we've got 7,201, and this fulfills the requirement, and many more just halfway through the page. So let's dive into the third and final keyword for the day. The next keyword is baby registry essentials, and it has a keyword niche score of 80, which is absolutely amazing. A total result of 2,727, an average bestseller rank of 1,003, and also average reviews 16,294, and average price is $17.49. Now this is a keyword that is ideal for any sort of baby related books, logbooks, journals, track books, high content books, activity books, that's baby related. So whether you have a pregnancy journal, whether you have a baby shower journal or logbook, or a book about preparing for a baby shower, you could also add this keyword to your 7 keyword slots as well for that, and get it updated and get it ranking for this wonderful keyword. So these were the 3 keywords for today's video. I hope that I see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.